YouTubers, welcome back. And today, for what I got for you guys, heading out to my boy Ralph's house. He's got a Mustang, little 3.2 motor, budget build. He flooded the motor really bad. The fuel pump was on, so it kind of went onto the motor. So we're gonna pull the plugs, drain the oil, and then we're gonna fire up, make sure everything's working good. So y'all want to stay tuned for that. So, my boy Ralph's Mustang right here. Budget build, street car. And it looks like he's already started. So what's done? Look at you down there.
About to get the oil drained out.
You already turned it over with the plugs out?
Yep, plugs are out.
Okay. Oops, sorry. Chinese heads, hydraulic roller cam. What, 10 to 1 compression? Way down there?
9.5 to 1.
Yeah, 9.5 to 1 compression. You know, she works for what she is. Pull these plugs out real quick while Ralph is down there draining the oil. Do you have the anti-seize? Is that all fuel?
Yes, sir.
Let me get that real quick. Holy moly. I can smell it.
Yep.
Good Lord.
Wow. That's crazy. That's like a whole time. I'm definitely gonna go get some fuel. Nah, seriously, I'm gonna more eat.
Holy moly, look at that. Straight up.
Man. Straight up fuel.
Oh my God.
It was for hours then, man.
Look at how wet that plug is. Nothing but fuel.
So it is. That's the one that came off the driver's side.
Got all the plugs out. Can you get some anti-seize? About to head to the store. I heard on. There's your seatbelt.
Oh shit. Ain't gonna fit.
While Ralph's inside picking up the parts he needed, I've been monkeying around with my accelerator pump timing. I went a little bit, just a little bit too lean. So I went ahead and fattened up a little bit. Hey, who said Ford and Chevy can't get along? He's gonna this up. So we just got messed up by a Hayabusa, but it's okay. It was still a good time. Let's get up on this now. She's missing somewhere. Let's kill it real quick. Yeah, make sure you got your wires right. All right, so it was idling like shit. Number one, it didn't have no fuel in it. Number two is when we got it started up and there's actually fuel in there, it was really, really rough. And we sprayed some, you know, we just took some water, sprayed each header, they're all burning. And so what I figured was sometimes some of these motors with the hydraulic rollers, the plungers are really easy to push down. And the only way to really get them set is to actually start it up, let them tick and do it while it's running, which is what we did. And the motor is way more happy. You can see we're gonna have to clean up a lot of crap all over the place. But when you hear it this time, it's gonna be right. We're just like disinfecting for the coronavirus, right?
Yeah.
That's what we're doing.
We don't want to get sick.
Yeah, Carb Clean kills 100% of all germs on contact. So we got a rebuild kit because one of the problems we found out, this needle and seat in the back is sticking and it's flooding. So we're gonna have to pull that off and put a new needle and seat in there. Yeah, see all that stuff in there?
Oh, wow.
I'll get the camera in there. So this thing's getting eaten up too. So yeah, that's what. So if y'all can see that, that's what's happening. If we get in that seat right there, needle and seat, and it would cause it to stick open. You see all that stuff right there? All that's just contaminating the fuel. Not having a good day right there. I've never seen a gasket do that before. We just redid the back. We're gonna crank it up again. Make sure it ain't leaking. And a lot of fuel leaked in there. All right, turn it over. Look how good it's idling now. Look how good it's idling now. See how good it's idling? Oh! Look at that. Well, I was puffing some black smoke, which means we have a lot more sorting out in the carb. It really needs to be rebuilt. Maybe I can trust with the idle. Maybe it's just loading up at idle. We'll find out here in a second. He's gonna get some gas in it. Hopefully we can get that worked out to get a nice clean burnout. Got to end the video like that, right? Man, look at that, y'all. It's like it's been at the bottom of the sea forever. I've never seen one this bad. Good Lord almighty. Y'all watch out now.